as loud as it is here in the shop, and I know the buzzing is kind of irritating, but shop work must go on. So here we go. Got this box from Spark Innovations. Got a little something in it I've always wanted. I just haven't pulled the trigger on it yet, but I finally got mine. And well, let's open it up and take a look at it. Let's see, what did I get? What did I get? Join my Fannie. I'll try to. Oh, I got one of these? Shit. Oh, damn. So all I ordered was this Fannie, and the whole video was going to be unboxing the Fannie and checking it out, because I know these things are really nice. But I got a couple little extras in the box. The conductor. We got a little voltmeter that you plug into the cigarette lighter adapter. That's nice. A little faceplate, and I can already see what this is by the instructions on the front of this sheet. This is a cool little thing right here. Ooh, that's nice. Now this right here is in the shape of an SMD LED meter, probably a TM1. So if you buy the switches and buy the SMD TM1, you got a nice little spot to put it right there. I really like that. It's a nice touch. I want one of these. I have one of them. We're gonna use it. Yeah. Oh, wow. Now that's super nice. That's legit. So these switches aren't just rockers. They're actually push on, push off. I like that a lot. This will definitely get used somewhere, for sure. Let's bust open this conductor. Oh man. Is that for this? What is that for? Yeah. So all that stuff is cool and amazing and awesome and so pro I can't even describe it. Big shout out to Ed Lester because that's the real deal. It's legit, period. So anyways, the star of the show is the Fannie, because this is what I actually ordered. So let's see what this is all about. Nothing really to see down here, but it is clean work. Gotta appreciate that. So it looks like we got air coming in here and blowing out here. I say we hook it up and see just how much air is coming out of here. All right, we're over here at the test bench where I got a good supply of DC voltage. I was trying to figure out how this thing powers up, but then I found this little plug. And then I was trying to figure out where this little plug goes, and looks like it goes right there. So how you control this thing is up to you, but the main positive and negative is right there, and we'll just go ahead and plug this thing in. Hey Brandon, come over here. Check this out. You need to witness this. Alright, to make this more interesting, we got some packing peanuts here. Because you guys aren't going to be able to see the airflow. And this still might not be a great idea. I don't know. Let's see. You ready? Go, come on. Oh, well, it ramped up. It blew away slow because it was ramping up. But, oh, damn. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, wow. Alright. Okay, it's going to get a little messy in here. Oh, yeah. I'm 10 feet back. And I can feel that wind. That's crazy. That fan is not playing at all. Okay, we legit just rode the boosted boards over to the corner store and got some incense for this video. And a beef stick and a pineapple soda. And what'd you get? Little Mountain Dew?
Baja Blast.
Baja Blast. All right, look, I legit went and bought some incense from the corner convenience store up the street. Because I don't know any other way to show you how much wind this is blowing besides using something with smoke. And this might not even work. You're supposed to blow it out, right? There we go. There we go. All right. Go ahead, turn that bad boy on. It's not really super smoky. All right, the incense wasn't really smoking as much as I thought it would. And as soon as that fan started pulling it in, you can't really see it. But that is pulling hard. See if we can find one more thing. I don't even know what. I gotta find something I can feed that thing some kind of smoke. Before I give up on these though, I got one more thing to try. All of them, the whole pack. All right, let's go. All right, go for it.
Oh shit.
Zoom in, Kay. There we go. Is that good or what? All right, look at this. Look how far back I am. Oh, can you see that in the video?
Yep.
Look how far back I still am. Sorry, guys. It's for YouTube. Look how far back I am. You still got me on video?
Yep.
Can you see it?
Yep.
Oh, look at that. I'm at least 9-10 feet away. I gotta get right in the... This whole shop stinks. Ed, that's a great fan. I'm a fan of it. Thanks for sending it out and all the other goodies. Hey, can you smell that over there?
Sure can.
Incense for the win. And of course, we're gonna revisit some of this stuff in future videos because I do want to play with it. So if you want to see what the conductor does and that switch box and that little panel for that matter after I load it up with switches and an SMD TM1, subscribe and hit that like button. And also head over to Sparked Innovations, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, all that good stuff. And, for now, I'm definitely out. You're probably wondering why I'm making a video of a fan. Well, here's the thing. A lot of people use these fans to cool their amp racks down and other things that need a little bit of wind across their fins, and we all need a good one. A lot of us are stuck with computer fans. I like to use big fat Delta fans myself, the type that'll cut your finger off, but this right here is a nice new product. It blows a lot of wind, and I would say it's probably one of the best there is, one of the best I've seen for sure. So if you need something to cool your amp rack down, this might be the ticket. And I know that he's got bigger, badder ones on the way, double, triple the size.